So Kittl has definitely made some changes when it comes down to utilizing their AI tools for you to find amazing designs you can add to what you already have. And if you're struggling with making designs yourself and you're not sure how to actually build these things out, I want to share with you several prompts that can help you get started, and even see some new features from Kittl that can help you create amazing designs that you can start selling right now on your Etsy shop. And with these new changes that came to Kittl, it can actually help you speed up your entire design process. So I want to walk you through some of these changes, how to even access these additional designs that we're talking about in today's video, and how this could be a potential resource for you to create amazing designs you can start selling on Etsy. I want to share this all with you coming up next. All right, so it's no doubt that Kittl has definitely made some improvements and some changes to their overall system. And in today's video, again, we're going to dive deep into what changes they made with AI and see if this is in any way helpful for us to create multiple designs. All right, so one of the things we definitely want to explore when it comes down to Kittl is to see what are some additional things they added to their overall AI features. Now, the whole layout, as you can see, is extremely different from maybe what you have seen in the past, and we definitely got to walk through some of the changes here, such as the layout that they have where you can really line up everything accordingly. Again, you can still download everything by removing the background and optimizing the quality. All things are the same there, just in a different placement. But one specific thing that has changed when it comes down to AI is now they have included Flux 1.1 Pro, and this more so give you art styles that are more so photography based, cinematic based, and really something that bring in some realism when it comes down to your products. This is extremely important if you are selling different type of art designs that can be used for wall decor, and definitely bring in those AI prompts that can bring in a sense of realism to your overall designs. Now on this channel, we talk about creating things for print on demand products as well as sublimation designs to use for print on demand. So we're definitely going to stick with Dolly 3, but in addition to utilizing this, we're going to see some additional designs. We're going to put in a particular style for this prompt. Is all about a sunset background with a Western type of feel. And we're going to utilize the Dolly 3 for this, which is their main source for their image generator, and the style that we're going to pick is for watercolor. Now the templates that we have here, or the layout of our artboard, is designed for Tumblr wraps, and so that's kind of what we're going to focus on creating. But the overall update with Kittl allows you to get some additional designs you would not have seen once you're done with your prompt. And here is the art style that we have here. I think this came out extremely well with this rusted type of Western sunset background that we know to sell extremely well on Etsy. Now, traditionally, once we get done with our designs, this is kind of where we are. Then we have to go hit generate again to get another set of images. But one thing Kittl has now included once you get done generating your image are these styles here that is associated with your prompt. So again, these are additional art styles and even designs you can use right now on your canvas with Kittl. And this is helpful if you're trying to create multiple designs or just trying to get some design inspiration. This could be helpful for you to really speed up this entire process and really find some new things you can add to your overall design. Like this one here could be a great design you can actually sell on a t-shirt that could do extremely well. This can just be that little bit of design inspiration you need to go a step further, and it could be a great product for you to sell as well. Again, we have this option of our AI prompt, but also the additional features that came along with our prompt. And you can see that the colors and the design and the art style and the overall feel of the design is very consistent with what we put in for our actual prompt to get our design here. And so this is extremely helpful because we know these type of designs are selling well on Etsy, and even specifically creating these to be multiple designs you sell on your listing could be helpful. As you can see, things like this, the bundles are selling well. Now I have seen bundles sell again 150. I've seen some sell 20. I've seen bundles even sell 5 additional products here. So again, you are able to really create multiple designs and really get inspiration to create a lot more than just what you have with your overall prompt. And if we were to put this same prompt and utilize the Flux 1.1 Pro, again, we're going to go down to the photography section here with the art style and hit generate. and you can see how they change this overall style, which again could be very useful if you are creating things for wall art decor and trying to create a bundle set there as well. You can see some additional things are added to the prompt results for you to speed up your entire design process. And again, these can be used either for a physical product you have or a digital product like we're selling today. And we can definitely see these type of cactus wall art designs are selling on Etsy. And again, you can find multiple different variations you can definitely use on your listing to help you sell multiple products. And so even if we were to go back and try out another prompt, this one here is focused on the hunting niche. If we were to go back in here to Dolly 3 and put it in the watercolor background, which has been extremely popular for my Tumblr wrap designs, you can see this is going to create an amazing design, obviously from the AI prompt that we have, but then we're going to have some additional things that could be helpful for us to sell on Etsy. So here is the style we grabbed over from the prompt that we put in here, and this is actually a very popular product to sell for a tumbler on Etsy. As we can see, all of these type of hunting tumblers are doing extremely well. But again, one of the things we're also talking about is finding unique ways to see what Kittl AI can do for us to get some more design inspiration to sell other products. And when I go back to this again, we're focused on that watercolor type of hunting style niche. If you want all of these prompts I'm talking about today, make sure you check out my link down below to get access to all of my prompts. But when we see more styles in this niche, we can go down into Kittl, and again, we have immediate access to all of these unique design styles that we can learn from, gain some inspiration from, and even start selling on our Etsy shop. Some of these, like this one here, could do extremely well on our Etsy shop, just not to sell as a Tumblr wrap design, but this one here could sell it on a sweatshirt. And again, we would not have gotten this unless we saw these additional images that Kittl allowed us to have after we put in our initial prompt. We can go here and actually click this letter I to see what the prompt is for us to gain even more understanding. As we can see, they're giving us the prompt here that we can go and change for a different animal. Maybe we can do a duck, or maybe we can do a bear, or we can just do a scenery like a mountain and still keep this style here. So even if you struggle with prompts and you're like, hey, this one looks amazing, but I don't know what the prompt is, Kittl brings this right into your design space. Obviously, this canvas is focusing on selling a Tumblr wrap, but we can plug this over into a sweatshirt in the hunting niche and see this can do extremely well. And you can see on Etsy, there are a lot of hunting type of designs that you can create and start selling on Etsy. Like this one here, again, bringing in that deer type of design here, obviously is a best-selling product created with AI. And again, we could create similar design styles just like how we done here by just putting in a prompt and getting some more design inspiration from Kittl. And here is another art style that Kittl gave us as well. And again, we could apply this to a shirt or a Tumblr wrap or a coffee mug. And again, we would not have gotten these design inspirations if we didn't put in our prompt and see the immediate results for other things we can design. But again, I think this works out well. And even if I were to apply this to a Tumblr wrap, this can actually sell extremely well online with Etsy. As we can see, there's a lot of popular nows and bestsellers when it comes down to the hunting niche. And we can also create multiple designs and sell them as bundles. Again, I've seen bundles sell with 10 in there, 4 in there, 20, obviously 200. There's a lot of things that can sell. So I think Kittl made some great changes here. I think they went even deeper in regards to just showing it visible right here in a unique way for you to get quick access to this and start designing and creating even more. Now, if you're new to selling on Etsy and you're not sure how to get started getting sales, I have created a step-by-step guide that will share with you how to gain daily sales on Etsy, just like I have done and my students are doing right now. It is my super simple guide to Etsy sales, where I share with you everything you need to do to get your Etsy business up and running and start making sales. Again, I give you over 20 pages of step-by-step things you can do to gain sales on Etsy, as well as my 4 exclusive video trainings that will share with you over the shoulder, click by click, what you need to do to create amazing titles, to find best-selling products, how to gain consistent sales by following top shops, and how to design your product so that you can start making sales today. So if you want to get access access to my super simple guide to Etsy sales, simply put in the comment section below the word sales, and I'll be happy to send this over to you. And now check out this next video where I share with you another top prompt you can use on your Etsy shop. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.